Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C9 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was stripping the breaker, and that was because one of the hoses that are connected to the thermal block was leaking, and it was leaking really a lot of water, and that was basically causing the water was touching some electrical components, and that was causing the machine to trip the breaker, especially when it was used during the cleaning cycle, or it was used when doing just on normal operation. So we fixed that. We made sure that it was not leaking anymore. We also did a tune-up on the espresso machine, replaced the O-ring from the brew unit that is located behind this water tank. We deep cleaned everything inside, and we also deep cleaned the grinder, as when the customer was having some troubles with the grinder not being too fine. Right now we're in the middle setting with this coffee, which is perfect. So we're gonna test out a couple of shots, starting with one cappuccino. We did clean everything around the grinder, make sure that there was not old beans or anything like that, and make sure that the beans were falling and grinding properly. Excellent foam coming out of the machine. Coffee comes out great, really good color. And really good foam. He also descaled this machine as well. Remove the filter and descale it. And put the filter back again. Now for one espresso. Infusion. As you can see, really good color coming out of the machine. Excellent crema coming out as well. Really good crema as well, really good color, working great. And as I say, the grind can be adjusted even further as well to make it more finer. Now for the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. Sensor for the fill beans, for the hopper is working. And the sensor for the water tank works as well. And there you have it, Jura Impresa C9 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.